Hello Kickstarter, 8000 Kicks is back for another campaign. Today, we introduce a new era of backpacking, the era of multifunctional hemp gear that will last a lifetime. After 5 campaigns and over 10,000 backers, we are experts in 2 things: hemp fibers and outdoor gear. Introducing Nomad, our new ultra-versatile hemp backpack. It starts as a 20-liter everyday piece while compressed. It opens widely for easy access to everything. On the inside, it offers next-level organization and space optimization while being airplane compliant. But the greatest thing is that it can more than double its capacity when fully expanded, making it adventure-ready anytime you need. Designed for people who are always on the go, the new Nomad Backpack is the last backpack you will ever need. One backpack. Whenever, wherever, and forever. It took us 2 years to reach the Nomad, and every detail was clearly thought of. The computer area features a tech panel with space for all computer sizes, tablets, and laptop chargers. If you're carrying extra gadgets, our tech pouch will have space for all of them. But it's when traveling that the Nomad really shows its beauty. The clothes compartment expands deep and wide for an unseen room capacity. If that's not enough, you can also use our compression bag for extra content inside. The top and bottom can also expand, which will fit even more gear. The possibilities are limitless, but there's even more. If you're hiking, you'll appreciate the ergonomic back panel and the hidden belt straps ready for whenever you need them. And when you reach home, hook all your hygiene essentials, feeling right at home. Travel gets easy when you have so many possibilities, and the detachable front is one of them. Hook it on or off the main bag and carry it separately wherever you go. The dual strap system works both as a mini backpack and a shoulder bag. But the Nomad is more than a modular backpack. It's a gift from planet Earth. At 8000 Kicks, we use nothing but the strongest hemp fibers available that will beat the test of time. Our hemp is not only durable, it's also weatherproof, making your Nomad ready for any weather, anywhere you go.